Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we are in the Algarve. We are staying at the beautiful W Hotel. It's a new hotel, opened in the summer. We're going to give you a nice tour of the hotel, show you around our room, see some of the fun that we got up to over the last 4 days. The W Algarve is a 5-star hotel situated just outside of Albufeira in the Algarve. It has 134 guest rooms and suites and 83 residences. We stayed here for 5 days across December and January 2022 into 2023. Hi guys, welcome to our room at the W Algarve. This is the fabulous category, and it most definitely is, as you'll see. Come in, this is room 1038. It's a huge room. Starting over here, we've got a beautiful walk-in wardrobe area, great mirror. Got the safe up here. There's an ironing board. We've got a luggage trolley there, tray, sorry. You've got dressing gown, slippers, a standard. Really nice little area actually. Loads of hangers, which is always handy. I shall steal those, Paul. And then round here, we've got a really nice bathroom area. So in this room, you've got the toilet and shower. This second toilet roll really made me giggle when I first saw that.
Maybe one of them.
Backup plan. And then in here, this is quite a heavy door. It makes a bit of a noise, but we won't hold that against you, W. This is our shower, which is very beautiful. Those of you that know me well know I'm a bath lady, but I like this shower. It's big and it does look nice, so I think I'll be able to cope with that. Then, over here you've got your his and hers sinks. There's a hairdryer down here. I haven't tried it out obviously, I've only just arrived, so I can't comment on how good it is yet. Lovely skincare products. Nice dressing table area with a plug for my Dyson, so that is lovely. And then as we go around here, you come into the bedroom area. There's lots of technology going on that I'm probably not very good at explaining in here. So one thing I do know is you can get your television guide and your hotel information on the TV, and then you've got this cute little QR code block, which is such a sweet idea for room service and the spa and the lounge, menus, everything. I think that's a really cute idea. I've not seen one of those before. And then over here you've got a Bang & Olufsen, what's it called?
Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth speaker. Why can I never remember what those things are called, ever? Okay, over here you've got your, obviously both sides have got a little bedside table, you've got telephones, some magazines down there. Huge bed, I would say it's probably queen size. Ignore my phone, I've just uploaded a room tour to Insta, so it's going. And then over here, well, I must confess, we came straight in and ate them, but there were some lovely pastries here with a welcome message from the staff. We've been travelling since 3 o'clock this morning, so we were hungry. Lovely sofa area, and then here we have got this magnificent minibar. I've never seen a minibar quite like this. I think it's great, I love it. So in the top section, you've got kettle and tea facilities for me. Olives, chocolates, crackers, Paul's favourite, Pringles. Well done, W. Paul loves a Pringle. And then down here, got a lovely fridge hidden in the cupboard, which has got all your spirits, juices, wines, beers, and even a bottle of VC, which I'm confident to say we'll get drunk tonight. And I love this mirrored furniture. It's a bit like my house. I don't know what that says about me. And then up here, more stuff for the minibar, and also this really cute cocktail shaker. Please could I have one of these, W Hotel? Thank you. I promise I won't take that one from the room. I'm not like that. Oh, and I forgot to show you this Nespresso. So I've got a little Nespresso machine and Nespresso capsules. And then over here we've got the curtains and the blackout blinds are automatic, so you just press the buttons, which I'm not going to do because I had a go a little while ago and it all went wrong. But you can pull them automatically. And then outside you can see we've as I said, we've already started on those lovely Portuguese pasties that were left for us. But this is fabulous. I think this has got to be one of the best outdoor areas we've had in a hotel room.
Definitely, yeah.
What is that, a junior suite?
Yeah.
This is such a good outdoor space. I have to say, you've got 2 chairs and a table, as well as this lovely sofa area. And then coming down here, got all this garden space down to the pool just here. So I think this is really absolutely lovely. It's such a lovely setting with this outdoor area. I think one way you could improve, my only suggestion, W, is if you sunk a hot tub out here, that would be absolutely amazing. So maybe when we come back in 2023, they might have sunk a hot tub. That would really finish it off, wouldn't it? But it is beautiful. I think it's amazing, and I'm confident we're going to have a really good 5 days here.
Cool.
Yay.
The design and architecture of the hotel is really very striking. It's beautifully laid out. The first thing you'll see when you arrive in the lobby is the W Lounge. You can have food and drinks here, or just relax outside in the garden area. The pool area is very beautiful. We didn't use it as we were here in the winter time, but I can imagine in summer it would be fantastic. You can stay at the hotel on a room only, bed and breakfast or dinner bed and breakfast basis. The breakfast is served in the market kitchen. It's buffet style and the selection is absolutely fantastic. There are a number of other restaurants, including the Paper Moon Italian, where we ate dinner, and you can also have room service. I think we had room service 3 times, it was so good. The hotel has a very unique spa. It's actually an open air spa, so it did get a little bit chilly at times, but it's really very beautiful. There's a €20 charge per person to use it, and we felt that was incredibly reasonable. As you can see, the spa area is open air. There's an ice treatment area, aromatherapy room, beautiful hydrotherapy showers, the ice tub, which I braved but Paul didn't, and then the fire tub, which was essentially a hot tub area with different types of jets. Excuse my singing in the hot tub, I didn't realise I was doing that at the time. At the edge of the resort is the Evaristo Beach. It's a tiny secluded little cove and it's really very beautiful. You can either get the little shuttle down there or you can walk. It's highly recommended. By night, the W Hotel comes into its own. It's an absolutely fantastic place to stay. The staff are wonderful. The service was fantastic. The rooms are beautiful and elegant and we loved every minute. So much so that we've already booked to return in June. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we upload videos. If you're off to the W Algarve, enjoy yourselves and say hi to the team from us. With love, the WBs.